Good morning. Thank you for this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Leonard Lacson. I am applying for the role of heavy equipment crane operator. I am a Filipino, 48 years old, Roman Catholic, and resident of Molino Tree, Bacoor, Cavite of the Philippines. I have a common law partner, one defendant. I graduated with vocational course from International Electronic and Technical Institute College of Technology of the Philippines. I have 12 years of experience in RTG crane operator and straddle carrier operator in the Middle East. I have 9 years of experience in straddle carrier operator from Abu Dhabi Container Terminal Port of United Arab Emirates. I have also 3 years of experience in RTG crane operator from Jeddah Islamic Container Terminal Port, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. My duties and responsibilities in company, I'm organized and hardworking, and I believe these skills will help me succeed in this role. In straddle carrier, primarily operate in all aspects of ships, loading, unloading, and yard operation. This machine manufactured by Terex Noel, and this equipment lifting capacity 35 tons up to 80 tons with working spreader 20 feet, 40 feet, and twin lift. Also passing tray high with lifting container. In RTG crane liber, using by stacking area, operate for loading and offloading from tractor trailer. And this machine manufactured by Aeriland. And this model designation easy drive, 4 wheels per corner, 5 high stacking, and 7 containers wide, plus track lane. I want to work in Europe because in order to enhance my skill set, I'm looking for better opportunities. Thank you.